Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix motion from the live photo is not spotted as a wallpaper in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to set your live photo as your own live wallpaper, but you're facing the issue which is the motion from the live photo is not spotted as a wallpaper, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to try to open your settings app. Then go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you are on the latest version of iOS. You haven't any pending updates here. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go back from here, and you have to open your camera again. And here you have to try to take a live photo again. But this time we have to try to take a live photo with a specific background. There's no blur and effect in your photo. So you just have to try to take a live photo again. Let's say I'm gonna take one. So here I have just taken this live photo. You can see there's a live photo, and I'm gonna set is add my all wallpaper. Just tap on the share option here, and then select use as wallpaper. And here, just wait for until it's load, and after that, you will get a this type interface here. Just tap on this option, and the live effect will be enabled. Now you just have to tap on add option here, and here you have to select set as customized pair or set a wallpaper pair. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. So now you have successfully set it up your live wallpaper and your iPhone screen. So in this way, you can easily set a live wallpaper from your live photo without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.